guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Della. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to tell you things that you need, some packing essentials that you need when you're going to abroad. So I'll tell you what I did carry and what I think is necessary to have when you're going to abroad, basically China. This will be for both boys and girls, but mostly for girls. First thing first, you need your ATM card. Don't forget your card. That's something you need to pack. The other thing that you need to know, the things that you need to pack, your oil that you use, lotion or whatever. I use this one, Vaseline. I use the other lotion. I get it here in China, but I love this too, Vaseline, but I don't like the normal Vaseline, so I get this one from home. It's the one that's for men, perfumed one, so I love it very much. It's a bit more softer than the normal one, so I get it home. So if you're also addicted to this kind of oil, don't forget it. Also, you need to have the toothpaste. I love using this. It's from home. I get it from home, but you can get it here too. So if you're complicated with your teeth, so get your toothpaste from home. The other thing is for ladies products, hair products. Don't forget your spray. You can find spray in China, but it's not the same. Like I should say it's fake or whatever, but it's another type of spray. It's not the same as the one that we use home. So I just get my spray from home. The other thing is Blue Magic. I love this one. I use this for my hair, so I get it home. You can find all the things in China, don't forget that, but the thing is they're different. The price is different, and most of us Africans who are using it, I think Chinese, they have their own products they use. So because it's us who are looking for them, so they're a bit expensive. So I just get this from home and it's perfect. The other thing, I didn't forget to pack perfume. I'm using this one. You can find perfumes here, but they're expensive too. And the way they measure them, the measurement of the perfumes, they're small. I just prefer to get one from home. Another thing that you need to pack is recipes. When you first get in China, it's difficult to cope with the Chinese food, so it's better you cook. So if you're good at cooking and you're a fan of cooking, so that's an advantage to you. It's good, better and good, but then you need to have those cooking recipes. So for those who are from Tanzania, those things, all those things we use in food: pilau masala, chicken masala, tea masala, all these masala that you need, and don't forget this Royco, all these other things. There are a lot of things that you use. So for us who are back from Tanzania, those things that we use mostly during cooking, pilau, so don't forget those things. So if you're a fan of cooking, it's better you bring those with you. Also the multi-plug, the extensions that we use here, they be different, and the switch, they're different too. They're not the cycle ones, so if you can carry one, just bring it with you. Some other tip that you should, it's not that important, but it's important for those who need it. Jeans for those who are plus size. You may not even be plus size, but you still need to find your own jeans that you can get from home. Plus size, it's a bit difficult to find this size here, so it's good you bring your jeans from home. And one more thing, your journal, diary, or anything that reminds you of home, just bring it with you. It will help you someday, maybe in a holiday you didn't go back home, it's Christmas, New Year, anything, you have that time for yourself, so just come with it, and then to be good. Just a tip that I think some of you will like it, because I did bring some things that I liked back home, like for myself, and then they remind me of home. That's it. I hope that have helped anybody out there who's about to go abroad or China. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you to my next video.